To add unlock animation to Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, first of all, you will need to download an app from a Galaxy store called Good Lock. So here in the search, look for this app, and then when it's here, you can download it. When it's downloaded, open the app, and we're not done yet with downloading. We'll need to get additional plugin called Lockstar. So look for this plugin inside the Good Lock app. It should have that download icon next to it. When you download the Lockstar, you can open it and then click on the Lockstar logo right here. Go for unlock animations, then make sure that they are enabled. Now you can go for different animation type. You can select them, and then there's a preview of that animation. We can go for warp, for example, and adjust the time for it like this. And then if we go back, this unlock animation should be enabled, which means we can click on done, and these changes will be applied. Make sure to do exactly what I did with done, otherwise it won't save. Now if you lock your device and then unlock it, as you can see, there's this animation. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.